brushing my teeth. It is important to brush my teeth every day to keep them healthy and clean. I need to brush my teeth at least twice per day. I brush my teeth in the morning and at night before I go to bed. To brush my teeth, I need a toothbrush and a toothpaste. I may also use a cup of water to rinse my mouth. First, I turn on the bathroom tap and I wet my toothbrush with water. Then I turn off the water. I then squeeze toothpaste on my toothbrush. I only need a small amount of toothpaste. Now I can start brushing my teeth. I need to brush the front of my teeth, the top of my teeth, and the back of my teeth. I need to make sure I brush every tooth in my mouth. When I'm brushing my teeth, I need to brush gently in circles. My parents can help me make sure that I brush my teeth gently. When I am done brushing my teeth, I need to spit out the toothpaste into the sink. Swallowing the toothpaste can make me sick. I will then turn on the bathroom sink and rinse my toothbrush off under the running water. It is important to keep my toothbrush clean. Then I can put my toothbrush away. Sometimes when I brush my teeth, I get toothpaste or water on my face. I can use a towel to wipe around my mouth when I am done brushing my teeth. I can keep my teeth clean all by myself. My parents will be so proud of me for keeping my teeth healthy and clean.